Where did you learn to sit like that? Oh.
Toddlers mimic everything. No surprise this little girl's top of the cat class.
You are so funny.
Jet's teaching you how to play.
Hey, do you know it is dangerous to touch this? I told you not going outside without Mom and Dad's permission. Remember? Proof this baby was raised by a cat. She even knows how to hunt. Pretty sure this baby girl's first word was meow, not mama. Let me show you how to play. Just spin it like this. Like this. Easy, right? Hey kiddo, it's time to let go and walk like a big girl.
Do you have hugs for Wilbur? Charlie, do you have a hug for Wilbur?
Don't forget the lesson of saying goodnight to your beloved, my baby.
Buddy. Thanks, kitty. Okay, you are a kitty.
Cats not only teach children how to love, but also teach kindness and sharing.
Oh yeah, that's good. Say go kitty. You're being so gentle.
Who says keeping cats isn't good for children? They can even become great friends. This natural bond seems like a daily routine of these little buddies. When cats feel safe and familiar, they become affectionate and clingy like this. Cats may be picky, but they're surprisingly gentle with babies. Playing with these furry friends also helps children stay more active Who could possibly resist melting at such sweetness?
He's tickling her with his tail and she's laughing.